pitcher of water. From the area. And amazing. A very beautiful area. You would have seen it before. And many of the people have come here for visit. And a very amazing health area. Here is our ice cream buyer is standing, and this is the below lower place, and this is a place from which many of the king has made their own place in this area, and this is much interested for the visitor which is coming from the local area. A lot of people has gathering in this place after taking some visit of this area, and they are gathering here. And this is on such that touches the sky. And amazing.